Google's highly anticipated launch event on August 13 is just around the corner, and it seems like there are no more surprises left regarding what will be unveiled. Recently, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold made an appearance in the real world, spotted at a Starbucks in Taiwan and shared with the Android Authority team. The device was seen inside one of the official cases that Google is expected to release alongside the phone. While this sneak peek offers a glimpse of Google's upcoming foldable phone, it doesn't reveal any groundbreaking information. Just yesterday, several images of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold surfaced online, including one allegedly taken at a Starbucks in Taiwan. Unfortunately, details about the location, photographer, or user of the device remain unknown. The single shot of the phone suggests that the photo was taken discreetly, given the distinctive camera bump and the prominent G logo on the case. Although this image doesn't provide any new insights, it does offer a realistic view of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold in one of its official cases. The phone in the photo appears to be the obsidian black model, while the case seems to be for the porcelain off-white variant. The thickness of the case isn't clear from the picture, but it seems sturdy enough to keep the device stable on a flat surface. Without the case, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might be a bit unsteady when placed on a table. The image showcases various angles of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, such as its unfolded rear view, square camera bump, taller cover display with a hole punch camera, and side buttons. There are also visible cutouts at the top for a microphone and speaker. With the recent flood of leaks, there's no need for speculation about the phone's design or internal specs, including cameras and displays. We're just a few weeks away from getting our hands on a unit. So, how do you like this new real-life photo of the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.